Ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh-India relations are ever growing at a fast pace. Today, I held a meeting with Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, where we discussed the ways and means of collaborative engagement between the two countries.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi ke dawat dicchi Bangladesh
I am inviting Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to visit Bangladesh.
आइए बांग्लादेश में देखिए बांग्लादेश को कितना कुछ हमने कर पाया और हमने क्या करेंगे तो আমি নরেন্দ্র মোদীজিকে দাওয়াত দিচ্ছি বাংলাদেশে আসার জন্য
I would like to take this opportunity to reiterate my invitation to Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to visit Bangladesh to further strengthen the friendly relation of our two countries.
আমি আবারও